Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add music on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to have epic background music. So, let's get started by opening CapCut, making a new project, and adding your clip. Make sure that your clip has music in it already, because we're not gonna use that clip. We're instead gonna use it as a background clip to have music. So basically it's gonna be in layers. The first layer, which is the main video, is what's gonna be seen, and the second video that's gonna be here is gonna be the music, the background music. So once you inserted a video with music in it, you're gonna want to tap on extract audio, and then you're gonna want to delete this track right here. Tap on delete. Because you already have its audio, you're just gonna have to add another video in it, the one that you want people to see, and this is just temporary. So once you add the main video, you're gonna be able to listen to the sound and see the main video. And it's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.